This is why fasting holds power. Quantum physicists suggest that humans are connected to a universal superintelligence that restores creation's blueprint. The conscious mind does not give orders for the heart, especially its beating. It all functions automatically. You do not need to tell your body to close an open wound. It restores itself naturally, and that is into balance. Just like a seed is not instructed how to grow, especially what we call into a plant. But there's an encoded intelligence that directs its development, and that's Allah. The same intelligence that causes the heart to beat and the lungs to breathe, and the seed to grow. And that the same intelligence governs the movement of the stars and even the cosmos around the earth. This is why even the word cosmos comes from the Greek word cosmos, meaning order. All creations follow order, directed to the universal superconscious mind that governs all existence, and we call that intelligence as Al-Rahman Al-Karim. Our body is always seeking to heal and restore, and that is always with balance. So if you want to heal the body, you must give the superconscious intelligence a room to work. This is what fasting does. Fasting in Quran means abstaining food, drinks, and even sexual interactions. The core message of the Quran emphasizes that the main purpose of fasting is to attain God consciousness, or known as Taqwa, mindfulness, and even self-discipline, and also restoring the body in balance. The energy normally used to digest food is conserved and redirected toward healing the body imbalances. Body heal itself when you do fasting. After fasting, that's why we consume food that enrich in vitamins. The month of Ramadan is almost around the corner. Would you fast in that month? Assalamu alaikum.
Hit subscribe and follow Al-Furqan TV.